How to sew vintage shirt with camp collar.
Hello Summer, welcome back to the sewing tutorial of a vintage shirt. I'm gonna head to iron my 4 inches that I folded for the turn up. This turn up is also for facing. I didn't know my camera was not recording. What I did here is that I slanted the front part. I've opened it up. You know, we folded it. I've opened it up, but you will not cut it straight. You have to slant your. I measured from where I folded here. I measured 1.5 inches and I slanted it to the next side. If you look at it very well, it is not straight. It is slanted. And I'm going ahead to cut our sleeve. I'll show you how to cut the sleeve on a blend pattern. The next thing is I'll show you how I cut my sleeve. This is our sleeve. I folded the 2 inches. Please make sure you fold the 2 inches sewing allowance. The turn up, this 2 inches turn up. If you don't fold it, you find that when you want to sew it, it won't be equal. You fold it before cutting. Very important. You cut your sleeve. What you need, the measurement you need is your round armhole. If you don't want to measure your armhole, you measure your, after you have joined your shoulder, you measure your shoulder there. But it's better to measure your round armhole to be on the safer side. So my round armhole is 19. You minus 1. Please minus 1 from your right arm so that it will sit very well. Minus 1. Another measurement you need is your round arm. Then what I will do here is to measure my round armhole. Connect it. Now come down by 4 inches. That's your calf side. You now determine the middle of this. Determine the middle. From the middle, from here, what you will do is to curve it. From this middle here is where you start bending your hand to your armhole side. Very simple. You need to curve it well. From this side is where you start bending your hand. Now you measure from here to 2 inches. From here to 2 inches, you now insert your upper arm is 16. Mine is 16. Divided by 2 is 8. Connect it. So your right arm where your sleeve will stop. Your right arm where your sleeve will stop is 14. Divided by 2. Give you 7. This measurement, make sure you add 1 inch to it because a vintage sleeve is free, it's not tight. So you add your 1 inch is allowance plus your sewing allowance. I've added mine. You now add your ½ inch sewing allowance round. Add it round. I've added mine on the sleeve. Now cut it out. So remember, it will be on fold. When you are cutting it, it will be on fold. I did not fold it because it's paper. See what you have. You see it? Had it been you did not fold it, it will be straight. When you want to fold it, it will not align. But if you want to sew it now, it will be easy for you. Make sure you weave before you start sewing. The next thing to do is to cut your yoke, our back yoke. This one was on fold. Cut your back yoke. What I did is that I folded from my leftover fabric. Okay, I don't want to waste my fabric. I folded the width of my shoulder measurements. Just fold it and place it here. After folding it, you now place your back. After folding it, you now measure down 7 inches plus 2 inches for folding. Okay, 7 inches plus 2 inches for folding. I have 10 inches. 10 inches. Standard. And now place. After placing it, I now cut it off. Cut your arm off. I've cut my back yoke. My back yoke here. The next thing I'll be cutting is a collar. And I'll be using this collar stain. I'm using this collar here for a collar. What you would do is to measure your round neck. Our round neck is 16. You now add 1 inch for sewing allowance, making it 17. For your width, you cut 3 inches. What I will do here, from here, I'll measure 0.75 and connect it to here. 0.75. And cut it off. From this end to you cut 0.25. And now connect it also to give that curve. What is that? See our color. This is our color. I'll now place it. See the part you will place on the part that you iron it on. Place it on. And you leave your sewing allowance of ½ inch. I'll cut it to. Give your sewing allowance of ½ inch. ½ inch round to sew it. I'll not place this one and cut another one. This one will be inside. Iron it flat on this one. You place to cut another one of this. This one will be 2. I'll cut it off camera and show you. After that, we'll be cutting our sleeve. Okay, I've gone ahead to cut my collar. This type of collar is called camp collar. It does not have collar stand. And I have iron my stay. You know, I cut it with my stay. And I first of all cut it with my stay. And I now cut my fabric, cut it on my fabric, add my sewing allowance. And I folded this ½ inch here to top stitch it. Okay, moving on. To join your shoulder, to achieve a neat finish at your shoulder, what you need to do is to bring your back. This is my back. I'll lay it down the wrong side. You lay it down on your right side. See my right side? I'll lay it down like this. Now you bring your one side of your front. This is one side of my front. See it here? I will now lay it down like this. Wrong side will be facing wrong side. I'll lay it down like this. The trick here is for us to finish and shoulder neatly. See my right side, bring one side of the front, lay it down like this. Now bring the yoke. My yoke will be facing the wrong side. It will be like this. See the wrong side? I will now place it like this. Wrong side facing me. One side is facing me. I'll now sew it here. I'll sew it like this. Please use your pin. Use your pin to hold it. Use your pin to hold it here. And you sew it here. I'll sew it and show you what I have. Okay, I've gone ahead to sew it. I've sewn it. See my facing. Now I will turn my facing back. My facing will not go back like this. See my shoulder, how neat it is. I'll turn my facing back. The 2 inches we added when we are cutting our facing, you fold it like this. You're supposed to fold it with iron. Use your iron, fold the 2 inches. Iron it down. Now stitch it. Stitch it to secure it. Just watch the video again. You understand what I did. Okay. Moving on. I've gone ahead to shape my side and sew my hemline. The next thing now is to attach my sleeve. I've sewn my sleeve also. I've sewn my sleeve. This is the method I normally use to attach my sleeve. You now see your sewing allowance. I've sewn it down. You now fix your sleeve. Just find the middle of this. The middle. With the side where I joined it. You now place it with the side of the armhole. You now use your pin to secure it. Use your pin to hold it down. Use your pin to hold it down. After attaching it, everything I've aligned. It's equal. This is my sleeve. You now sew it round. Sew it round. After that, I will do the second sleeve. So to fix my cam collar, this is the 4 inches. I notch it here. The 4 inches we folded for the turn up. See the 4 inches. I notched the 4 inches here. See what we have. So to sew it, what I will do, I will just turn it like this. I'll turn it like this and sew it. The next thing I will show you is how to sew your turn up. The 4 inches that I added, I'll just show you how you can see the line for 4 inches. See what you will do. You fold it like this, and now sew. Close it up. This is what I have. See what we have. This is 1 inch that I added for my button overlap. Okay. I'll do the same on the other side. I'll do the same thing on this side. Okay, from my cam collar, I'll close it up here. Close it up here. Close it up here. Mark on it. Side out. Use the iron. Use the iron to throw it down. Now the next thing is to attach it on my neckline. To attach it on your neckline, and now fold this one into two. Fold it like this. Get the middle of this one too. Now attach it. You attach it, use your pin. Use your pin to secure secure it. Use the pin to go around. Pin to secure it. Now sew it. Remove your pins. Now the last thing to do is to top stitch. Is to top stitch here. Top stitch on it. I folded it with my iron. You now top stitch on top. I'll do it offline and show you. Okay, I've gone ahead to top stitch it. See what I have, very neat. You just top stitch it from here and you now give it a good press. Our vintage shirt is ready. It's ready. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and like my video. I've attached my belt. Make sure you weave it inside. It's very neat inside out. Thanks for watching. Bye.